Hi! In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Privacy. Then select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Finally, you can click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always tap on any feature, select one of your apps that you are interested in, and instead of picking one of those options, just click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of them only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!